Hi, I'm Steve Lee Broder with your tip for Tuesday. Many people think of Google as the largest business directory in the world. I look at it as your largest referral partner. It has 97% of the people looking to buy the goods or services you sell asking for a referral to your kind of business. But like any referral partner, Google needs to know, like, and trust you before it's going to send your information to that perfect customer. Now that's where digital marketing services come into play. Our expertise in presenting your company in its finest form will tell Google to pick you. We'll bring the customers to your door. You give them a reason to buy more now or return to buy more often, and we'll provide you with the means to let them tell the world about the kick-ass experience they had with you, leading to even more customers. If you'd like to learn more about tapping the 97% of the market you may be missing out on now, call us today at 727-203-1543 or go to our website. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more information about taking your business to the next level. No industry jargon, no sales pitch, our services just make sense.